Salesforce for managing mobile workforces. What is Salesforce and how does it help in managing mobile workforces? Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that offers a wide range of features and capabilities for businesses. With Salesforce, companies can streamline their operations, automate processes, and improve customer interactions. Salesforce integration for seamless operations. One of the key benefits of using Salesforce for managing mobile workforces is its seamless integration capabilities. Salesforce can be easily integrated with other tools and systems used by companies, allowing for a unified platform for all workforce activities. Enhancing workforce productivity with Salesforce automation. Another advantage of using Salesforce for managing mobile workforces is its automation features. Salesforce allows companies to automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry, scheduling, and reporting, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic activities. Field sales management with Salesforce mobile app. Salesforce offers a mobile app that is specifically designed for field sales management. With this app, sales representatives can easily access customer information, update sales opportunities, and track their performance in real time. Why choose Salesforce for managing mobile workforces? Workforce efficiency. Salesforce helps streamline operations and improve efficiency within the workforce. Workforce automation. Automate repetitive tasks to free up employees' time for more strategic activities. Workforce visibility. Gain real-time visibility into workforce activities and performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce offers a comprehensive solution for managing mobile workforces, providing companies with the tools they need to optimize operations, enhance productivity, and drive business growth.